Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. From the highest to the lowest vibrations, experience the sacred formulas that you use. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Don't make your spiritual message for only one nation or class of society. The spiritual transmissions between teacher and disciple are physical and comprehensible. Some people have experiences, and this is not what I'm talking about, but a lot of people have this idea, largely projected attribution, that once you accept a guru or whatever, they're going to start sending you messages that you're not witnessing with your body. I mean your mind, but you know what I mean. You're not like telepathic transmissions and stuff like this, and this is not the way really one should have. One should hear and see and such. We should work to the point where we have no secular eating or speaking. Acting like is not becoming. We are not the material nature, and it is not our right to do as we want with it either. Don't wait to be serious to do the right things. Temples are to give non-devotees teaching and to allow them to reflect on divine qualities, which are as the most auspicious and unfailing powers represented. As the oldest, God will be known as the youngest, and of the most vitality. We should understand the written scriptures through the livers of the sacred scriptures. Devotion is better than donation. We don't deny the material. On serve it for itself. Or serve it for itself. Serving the servants as a means can help liberate us from mere attachment. We will build on some connections and attractions regardless, but we can consciously direct. We all must serve something. Polygamy is to ensure all women can be married, and those with means to provide for more of the children. No one should be harmed for their parents or children's ways. Leaders should be physically qualified. God is not limited by material forms, but we must refer to God through matter. Dancing shouldn't be secular. Suffering comes when reliance on God slips. All beings in creation must endure karma. God is going to make himself known by whatever form necessary for people to realize, and will be present in all realms. We are limited to certain conditions of environment and ability. Each creature has its place. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Taveyorittam Sobannam Eva Sobanne Annahutapya Amyande Bandoshu Teyanye Anudpadeta Doshan Tayo Baliya Sanatmya Marana Manyuna. The personality of God spoke by you and said what is true. And certainly, my beautiful wife, outside of invitation, even go among friends to those, if not finding fault, more importantly, by a pride of the identification with the body, angry. So, yeah, don't find fault with your friends by, mere physical identification. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.